Connecting your Ledger wallet to Robinhood is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio more efficiently. To begin, ensure you have a Ledger wallet and a Robinhood account. First, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer, as it is required to connect your Ledger wallet to Robinhood. Once installed, open Ledger Live and follow the prompts to set up your Ledger wallet. Next, navigate to the Robinhood website and log into your account. Click on the cryptocurrency section and select the option to connect a wallet. You will be prompted to select your wallet type. Choose Ledger from the list of available options. You will then be redirected to a page with instructions on how to connect your Ledger wallet using the Ledger Live application. Open Ledger Live and navigate to the Accounts section, where you will find the option to add a new account. Select the cryptocurrency you want to connect to Robinhood and click on the Add Account button. A QR code will be displayed on the Robinhood website, which you need to scan using the Ledger Live application. To do this, navigate to the Accounts section in Ledger Live. Click on the three dots next to the cryptocurrency you selected, and choose the option to scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on the Robinhood website using your computer's camera or by manually entering the code. Once the QR code is scanned, your Ledger wallet will be connected to Robinhood. It is essential to note that connecting your Ledger wallet to Robinhood does not give Robinhood control over your wallet or the ability to withdraw funds without your consent. Your Ledger wallet remains secure, and you can manage your cryptocurrency portfolio directly from the Robinhood platform. In conclusion, connecting your Ledger wallet to Robinhood is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these instructions, you can efficiently manage your cryptocurrency portfolio and take advantage of the features offered by both Ledger and Robinhood.